Again, starting from the closed guard, we're gonna work the 2-on-1 arm drag and then attack from there. So I get his arm across, I get to this position, and like I said, the back take is always the primary attack. So I'm gonna start trying to work my way to the side, but every time I move my hips out, I feel my opponent square up with me again. Yep. So I move my hips out, and then boom, I feel him square up. Now from here, I'm gonna do that one more time, but I'm gonna make sure I have my grips nice and tight. So I'm gonna hug onto his lat, and with this hand, I'm gonna grab the sleeve and really focus on pushing it across his body. Because this last time that I go, as soon as he goes to square up with me, I'm gonna place my foot on the mat, and this leg here is gonna kick in this direction. Okay, just sideways. Rewind for me. So very similarly to the pendulum sweep, like your body's gonna work to move him towards the side that he has no base, but instead of going and overcommitting all the way to that crazy angle where you're perpendicular, you're staying square with him. So his base is gonna be directly sideways, or where his lack of base is right here, sideways. So when I move my hip to the side, I plant this foot on the mat, and this leg is just knocking his body this way. Okay? From there, it's the same finish. As soon as I start to feel him go, I'm gonna sit up to my elbow, find my underhook, and then catch them out. So from the closed guard, get his arm across. Like I said, from here, be patient, stay nice and strong and pulling him to you, keeping his posture broken. Start working for the back. As I work for the back and finding my angle, I'm gonna feel him square up with me. So again, I'm gonna go for the back, but this time now that I know his counter, I'm gonna react right as soon as he squares up with me. So as soon as I go to the side and I start to feel him, boom, I wanna catch this sweep as he's making those steps to square up with me, okay? So again, from here, as soon as I move to the side and he moves, I'm going with him and using that momentum to sweep him over. Catch this underhook, and then get to the mount.